What's going on here? Here in Wisconsin, last night we got our first major good part of a snowfall. A lot of snow that fell. Neighbor over there, snow blowing. Yeah, snow blow out over there. There's snow blow the driveway here. Mail carrier. This has already been shoveled. Yeah. So they're shoveling the snow blowing. I'm gonna start to it on the driveway, or go in the neighbor's shed and go get the snowblower. Snowblower. Alright, well, figure I'd give you guys a nice little heads up here and what happened here in Wisconsin of 2020. Last time I vlogged was last year of 2019 with the snowstorms, and we got one here of 2020 of a snowstorm last night. 5 to 8 inches. I think we got well worth at least 6, 7. Yeah. It's gonna be one busy day and a sore day at the end of the day. So I got a bad back right now and a pinched nerve. So we'll see what happens here. If I collapse and fall on the ground here and lay dead or paralyzed. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like if you want, like the video if you want. You know, have a great day wherever you're at.